Just the monster.
You still drink coffee?
What in the heck of a boom?
She drinks coffee, she drinks Monsters, and she drinks Red Bull.
Look at her.
And she drinks water sometimes.
I ain't never seen her drink no water now.
Don't
say that lie. Don't say that lie. I ain't never.
While it's smiling in your face, talking crazy on your name, trying not to get your case. I waited my whole life just to
I'm finna run out of hangers. And she a stripper, a rapper, a singer. I'm busting backs in the.
Clean version without the curse words. She's like, I needed a little more wholesome. A little more wholesome.
Ooh, okay, let me.
Who's it, Drake? Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Look at her.
But in
new me is really still the real me. I say you gotta feel me before they try to kill me. You gotta.
She needs to do a minute, she pressed time cook 100. She doesn't know how to just press 1.
Oh, yeah.
I
You
taught
said
her.
Tom Cook 100. Funny.
So I did that. I showed her that.
I showed
She
her
said,
no.
oh, thank you.
I didn't know it.
Y'all bear with me because I'm all in the camera. I kept forgetting that I was recording, so please forgive me. Here I'm just setting the concealer so that I can have a nice base for the eyeshadow. So here I'm taking a nude shade out of that same Miscos eye palette, and I'm going to apply that to the inner part of her eye. So here I'm applying a light brown eyeshadow to the middle portion of her eye, being sure that I blend it with that nude color so that it transitions well. I'm blocking the view, y'all. Bear with me. So the last color I'm using is a dark brown. It almost looks like a reddish brown tint. So I'm using that on the outer portion of her eye, and I'm just going to blend that going into the corner of her eye. This is a clean blending brush that I'm using. I got it from the dollar store. I believe it's Wet n Wild. It's a great brush to use when blending. I'm just taking that, it had no product on it, and I'm just using it to blend out all those colors so it's just a seamless eyeshadow look.
I told Jay to take the day off. Give me that day to photo shoot. I knew it was gonna take some time to do. So she never informed me anything. For one, I'm thinking I'm supposed to come in the morning like earlier than 4 o'clock. Right?
The foundation that we'll be using today is from MAC. I'll be applying that using a kabuki brush from ELF, I believe. concealer that I'm using here is the Maybelline Age Rewind in Golden Beige. I'm going to apply that under her eyes, down the bridge of her nose, on her chin, and also on her forehead. Now I'm applying it to her chin and on the bridge of her nose.
S class, G class, lot of class. You know what I did in there, ain't got no cash.
To set her face, I'm going to use the Airspun setting powder. In all the areas I put concealer.
Church fan, girl. I'm gonna buy you a fan too, because I'm sick of you doing this. I need one of them. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I got some of that.